कुतेरेगा उड़ेनी कुड़ेनी ला 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 wasmiruha matang hodagen kana hodani
Jazakillah khairan amna manhas forestaki valuteredo kocheppa valuterega hunnani valuterega hunnane do varapparu kat adi ulane sapat eki vattaru janwaru tabbe ekahala bodu jange yetereng magoli tiya kihinabba wani Demmio item ge nama balali mahivani mikdinna bes miulani tikala kame hendimavage ekudin hada gote balama UKG H adi aige kudin ganas deni lost in the forest Once there lived two very friendly families. Both families lived in a village near the forest. Every evening the children in the two families used to go near the forest to play. One day while they were playing, they saw a butterfly. Hey, look, there is a butterfly. MashaAllah, it's beautiful. Let's touch it. All the girls ran towards it.
Butterfly, a lovely butterfly. Hey ho, the cherry, oh, a lovely butterfly. The butterfly takes flight. The butterfly takes flight. Hey ho, the cherry, oh, the butterfly takes flight. We'll follow it along. We'll follow it along. Hey ho, the cherry, oh, we'll follow it along.
After running for some time, they realized they were in the middle of the forest. Subhanallah, we are in the forest.
We are lost. How are we going to get out of here?
After a while, the boys looked at where the girls were playing and saw none of them. They got shocked. Where are the girls?
I saw them running after a butterfly.
Did they go into the forest?
Oh no.
Let's go and tell Mom and Dad.
Mom,
Dad, the girls have gone into the forest. Subhanallah.
Let's go and find them. Ya Allah, please help us to find our children and keep them safe.
The girls walked far, searching for a way to get out of the forest. And they got tired and felt thirsty.
I am thirsty. Let's look for some water.
They walked and walked and walked, and at last they saw water.
Look, there is a waterfall. Let's go and get some water from there.
Said Bismillah and took a handful of water and filled the bottle.
Alhamdulillah, we got some water and we are not thirsty anymore. How are we going to get out of here? It's going to get dark.
While they were having water, one of the girls' bag fell down and they did not realize it. When they walked a little ahead, they saw a rabbit in a burrow, tired and thirsty.
See, there is a rabbit.
I think it's very tired.
Let's take it from the dip and give it some water from the bottle.
Let's help the rabbit.
The bunny lives under the tree. The bunny lives in the burrow. The bunny lives under the tree. Oh, come out to drink some water. Come out, oh come out. Come out to drink some water, water. Come out, oh come out. Come out to drink some water, water.
After giving water to the rabbit, Again, the girls started to find a way to get out from the forest. They were all impatient to go to their families.
I miss my mom and dad. I miss my little sister. They must be very sad. I am sure they will come looking for us. Inshallah, we will find a way out.
Oh dear, what can the matter be, dear, dear? What can the matter be, oh dear? What can the matter be? I have been missing my mom. Feeding and teaching and caring forever, a doctor in sickness, a friend when in need, helping us solve any problems that we may face so that we are carefree. So that we are carefree.
The boys were walking through the forest looking for the girls. While they were walking, they saw a big banana tree.
See, there's a banana tree. Let's have some bananas first. I'm very hungry. Please remember to say Bismillah before you eat.
They picked some bananas and ate them. They said Bismillah and Alhamdulillah after eating them. There were some monkeys sitting on a tree and trying to pick the bananas, but they couldn't. So the boys picked the bananas for them too. They ate the bananas very happily. Again the boys started looking for the girls. All the girls were walking in the forest. Suddenly they saw a lion sleeping. One of them wanted to disturb it and wake it up.
Hey, look, it's a lion.
Let's disturb and wake it up.
No, don't do that. It is not good. If we harm it, it will also harm us. Yes, leave it and let's find a way out from here. Soon it will be dark.
They started to walk. Suddenly one of the girls slipped, but fortunately the girl who was standing next to her held her. Her cap fell down, but as others have gone ahead, she left it there.
In the forest, deep in nowhere, searching for a way out. We are talking, walking, running, looking for an exit. Oh dear Allah, oh please show us a way out. We are lost and gone forever, feeling sorry ourselves.
The boys walked far in the forest and saw a baby bird injured on the ground. They took it and put it on the nest to its mother.
I am tired. I can't walk anymore. I am tired. Let's sit under a tree and rest for some time.
They all sat under a tree to get some rest. After a while, they all fell asleep. After about 15 minutes later, they were wakened up by a noise. At that time, many birds were whispering and monkeys were shouting.
Why are they all making so much noise?
I don't know.
I think there is something wrong. They are giving us a signal. Look, tigers. They are coming toward us. Run, tigers.
They all ran as fast as they could and stopped near a waterfall. They had water and thanked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for surviving.
The monkeys and the birds helped us because we helped them.
Yes, we should always help each other,
even if they are animals.
If we help them, they will help us back.
When we were walking through the forest, we came across animals in need. Some were thirsty, some were hungry. We did what we can for them. Oh, brothers, sisters, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Oh, brothers, sisters, what will be, will be.
Again they started to walk. Suddenly one of the boys stepped on something, and he looked down and saw Arina's bag lying down on the ground.
See, this is Arina's bag. It means they are near here. Yes, come, let's find them.
They got more excited. They started to call their names and started to run. After running a little forward, they saw Sarah's cap on the floor.
See, it is Sarah's cap. It means they are near here.
They called out their names louder.
Julie, Michelle, Neem, Arina.
And the girls heard them call out their names. So they also started to call out.
Noor, Ann, Mahir, Shamail.
They followed the voice and both groups met. They were very happy and they all walked out of the forest together and saw their family members crying.
Without thinking, without thinking, without thinking, without thinking, we have run 100 miles away from home. We thank Allah, we thank Allah, we thank Allah for His mercy. We were lost in the forest, away from home. We thank you for guiding us, for guiding us, for guiding us. You showed us the way back home, the way back home. Away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. You showed us the way back home, the way back home.